In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic algebra. What does algebra means? Algebra is basically the study of variables, and the very first thing that comes in our mind during the study of algebra is what is a variable. So, variable is basically something that is a symbol which has no fixed value. Let us understand it with an example. Let us take x. X is a symbol, or we can say it as y. These are alphabets. Let us take a symbol that is a circle. We can take a circle. We can take a star. These symbols are not having any fixed value. Like we can't say that this star is 3 or this means 2 and this means 4. We can't say like this. So these are the variables. That is the symbols which have no fixed values. Before moving forward, let us understand what is algebra. Algebra consists of basically a variable. The very first thing which defines the algebra is a variable. So we have understood what is a variable. Now let us come to the topic terms in algebra. So the very first topic is constant. Constant is something which has a fixed value. For example, 2. We can't say that 2 is equal to 4. We can't say 5 is equal to 6. So, these are having a fixed value. Like 4 bananas never means that we are having 2 bananas. So, these are the fixed values. The numbers which gives us a specific answer like 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the constants because they are having some fixed values. The second term which comes in algebra is the mathematical operations. Mathematical operations are basically the operations which are performed on a constant or on a variable. For example, x plus 3. This plus is a mathematical operation. Without defining any operation, we can't say it is an algebraic equation. So, the combination of a constant, an algebraic equation, and a mathematical operation forms an algebraic equation. Algebraic expression is basically used to calculate the unknown values. For example, we don't know what is the value of x. Like x plus 3 gives us 4. What this x is? We can easily calculate the value of x by using this operation. Like if I add 1 with 3, I get the answer as 4. So the value of x is basically 4 the value of x is basically 1 because after adding 1 I can get the answer as 4. So this 4 can be easily taken as the resultant after adding 1. So this is a 1 which we are going to add with 3 and we can get the answer as 4. So this unknown value of x was easily calculated using the algebraic expression. So this was all about the algebraic expression, variables and constants. Now will you apply this concept in solving the examples? These examples are basically the questions how to solve the equations. Let us look at the example. The very first example says 5 more than a number. What is this number? We don't know. We don't know what is the value of this number. So let us take a number as x. Let a number be x, as I don't know what this number is. How we are going to write the algebraic expression for this? 5 more than a number. So we can easily write it as 5 more is addition then a number. That is, this will be the algebraic expression for this question. That is 5 adding x, which is a number. Let us look at the second example. It says 5 less than 3 times a number. Let us take the number as x. It is saying that 5 less than 3 times a number. This is a wrong equation, as in lessing we have to less 5 from 3 times a number. So this equation is a wrong one. How we are going to write it as? From 3 times of a number I am subtracting 5. So this is the correct answer for second example. Usually we got confused between this and this. So let us again look at the example. It says 5 less than 3 times a number. This equation represents 3 times x is less than 5. This equation represents 3 times a number is less than 5. So the correct answer for this is 3 times a number 5 is less than 3 times a number. So this is our correct answer. Now let us look at the last one. It says 13 is decreased from a number. 13 is decreased from a number. And we get the answer as 7. So how we are going to do this one? For the third, let us take the number as, let the number be x. Now how I am going to write it? X decreasing 13, I am getting the answer as 7. 13 is decreased from a number and we get the answer as 7. So what this number can be? So this number is 20, as when I subtract 20 with 13, I get the answer as 7. So the answer for the number, that is the expression for this one, is this. This is the expression, and the unknown value, that is x, is equal to 20. With these 3 examples, almost every concept of algebra is cleared. Thanks for watching.